What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I'm here with another video for you. I'm giving you guys a good little update on my relaxed hair. So, I washed my hair, let's see, yesterday. So that would be what, December 2nd. And so after I washed it, I just moisturized it, put in all my oils, hair lotion, and things like that. And then I just braided it and then tied it up. So I still have another braid that I'm going to take down. Okay, so another braid that I'm going to take down. So yeah, my hair, let's see, last time I relaxed my hair was August. So I'm like 4 months post relaxer. So I'm like 4 months post relaxer here. I've really just been using, wearing my hair in half wig style. So this part normally will stay out, and then this part will stay under my wig cap. It'll normally be braided under my wig cap. So, and yes, I did color my hair like a black, but child's growing back out. Look at it. Look at my hair. Look at the strands. They're coming back on me. Anyways, so yeah, I am a 4 months post relaxer. See if you can see. I mean, my new growth is like it's average new growth. I mean, it's not too bad still. So I probably won't relax my hair again until maybe February or March. February or March, I might relax my hair again. But for the most part, yeah, that's it. It's growing a little bit. Show you, I don't know, you can see. I mean, yeah, so it's a decent length. But I always said in about 2 years, I'm going to cut my hair off. I want to do short hair. So, and I'll probably straighten my hair, do another video with my hair straightened, just so you guys can get an idea. Let's see. What length? Let me see here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like I say, it's growing still. Just I have to keep my hair extra moisturized, of course. And like I say, I'm probably gonna just throw my hair under a wig completely to give this piece up here a rest, because all I do is throw this piece in a bun. Anyway. So yeah, that's my hair. I'm gonna probably, like I say, do a couple more videos of my hair. I haven't done like a curly video, like a curls video in a while. So I'll probably do like a rod, like flexi rods or perm rods, and get some curls going in my hair again, since I haven't had curls like that in a while. So yeah, I'll do that video. I might do a straightening video. I'm not sure. I don't really want to put heat on my hair right now. So we'll see. But yeah, so that's it. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. Like I say, 4 months, like 3 to 4 months of new growth for me is like nothing. It's really nothing. I can let my hair go, I feel like, for like, yeah, another 2 months, like I normally do, 2-3 months really, you know. But I'm going to stick with my routine, so I might relax it either February or March, depending on how I feel. Okay, but yeah, so that's my hair, guys. Just giving you a quick little update. Any questions, please leave them down below. If you want to know what I use on my hair, products, whatever, leave me the questions and I will answer them. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.